Hi everyone, it's Jennifer, and I have some kits to show you today. I got them from Joann's, and I know that Joann's is having some financial issues, so I thought I'd show them to you today, and maybe you guys could check them out yourselves. So the first kit I'm going to show you is, this is the Red Heart Super Saver. This one happens to be the knit kit. I thought it was kind of cool. Sorry for the glare. And let's take a look at what comes in the knit kit. Comes in this nice button vinyl bag, and you get these cute little, there's 12 skeins, and they're so cute, and they're Red Heart Super Saver, but look how small they are. They're super cute, and they're softer than normal Red Heart. I have found that out. Let's see, let me put on my glasses. And this one is pumpkin, and you get cherry red and shocking pink. You get saffron. These are very pretty together. You get the color jade and the color spring green, the color royal blue, the color lavender. There's more. There's just 12 whole little mini skeins. Soft white. I just threw the needles in the floor. Gray heather. And you got cafe latte, and of course black. Also in here is a set of Susan Bates needles that I threw on the floor. You get some stitch markers. I'm trying not to blow them out. And you get a row counter. This tells you about the kit and about Red Heart. Over 80 years, we've been at the center of one-of-a-kind creations, inspiring the joy of creating. The needles you get are a size 8 or 5 millimeter, and they're straight needles. I'm looking to see how much yarn you get. It doesn't say. It just says you get 12. Okay, there is a total of 116 yards. Each ball has 93 yards in it. So that's not bad. That's not bad at all. Let's see, what does it say? You can sign up to get tutorials delivered to your inbox and the latest updates and videos for every step of the way. They are short and easy to follow. So that's pretty cool. Not bad for a little kit. So let me stick this yarn back in here, and I will show you another kit that they offer. A little bit bigger kit. I got this one for $17.99. I had a coupon, and that's how I got this one. Here comes Pusheen coming to say hello. He's probably going to sit on the kit, and I'm going to have to throw him off of it. Yeah, I'm going to have to throw him off of that. Poor Pusheen. Yep, he sat on the kit. I'll get the needles after I make the video. I want to snap this one closed. It's actually a nice little kit. Something that you could keep in your car for those knitting or crochet emergencies. Okay, let me have this one. Thank you. Alright. And this is the little big one. It's called the Super Stitchers Kit. And it comes with the same yarn. And it has a few other goodies in it. So it comes with the same yarn. It comes with the same knitting needles in it. So that's what they look like. But this one also comes with an eye hook, Susan Bates eye hook. And it also comes with, if I can get it, it also comes with a tape measure. And if you don't want to keep it in the vinyl bag, this one also comes with a red heart bag, a nice canvas red heart bag right there. And it is a box bottom bag. So it comes with a nice red heart bag, which is really cute. It's a really nice bag. The bag actually is the same size as the package. So I believe that it will hold all the yarn. And all the yarn colors are the same, as you can see. And they all have 93 yarns. So I'm actually going to keep this one in my vehicle so that when I go somewhere, I've got 12 colors to pick from, and I can knit or I can crochet. I've got a tape measure. I've got a rope counter. I've got stitch markers. So I've got everything I need. Only thing I'm going to toss in here is some scissors. So that would be really cool. This one, I can't remember what I paid because I did use a coupon. The regular price of this one is $31.99. I got it with a coupon. I don't remember what I paid for this one. But it is a nice, it's a nice kit. Really is. I actually like this, and it has the code on the back as well, so that you can get their emails and go to their website and get some pattern ideas and things like that. So I actually like these kits that Red Heart put together. I think they're really helpful, especially when it comes with the bag that you can stick all the yarn in. And for me, it's perfect to stick in our SUV for on the go. That way, if I forget to take a project with me and I'm stuck sitting somewhere, I've got something I can work with, and I can leave it in the vinyl bag and nothing's going to happen to it. And I've got something that I can work on, and I won't be bored out of my mind. So I don't know about you guys, but go ahead and check those out. They're really cool. They're at Joann's, and I think they're great. So it might be Red Heart yarn, but it's actually softer Red Heart yarn. So I am a big fan of them. In the meantime, please stay safe, be kind to one another, and as always, happy yarning. Bye now.